With the high-quality steel tubing, double reinforcements, and stabilizing legs, this Diplomat folding bed gives you the stability you can trust. The wire lattice base provides exceptional support with none of the sagging commonly found in other folding beds, and the overbuilt construction amounts to a bed that will last you through years of use. Too many folding beds have thin, flimsy mattresses that offer no comfort at all. But with the Diplomat, you'll get a mattress that's just like the ones on real beds. The 4 inches of base foam provides a solid base for support, and the memory foam layer on top gives that luxuriously soft and soothing comfort your body will love. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. It's sturdy, it's comfortable, and it's practical as well. The Diplomat folds up to a super slim 14 inches thick profile, making it easy to store when not in use. The bed features 360 degrees pivoting casters that make the bed smooth and easy to transport. When stationary, 2 wheels lock in place for peace of mind. Number 2. Exceptional support. The Diplomat distinguishes itself with a full steel wire lattice frame that's reinforced and overbuilt to ensure maximum sturdiness. Fold-out dimensions: 75 inches long x 31 inches wide. Number 3. Luxurious comfort. No more thin, flimsy mattresses. The Diplomat features a real foam mattress. The support foam provides a solid base, and the memory foam gives you the soft, luxurious comfort your body craves. It also comes with a bonus mattress cover that's easy to toss into the wash for a quick clean. Mattress cover design may vary slightly. Number 4. Practical and portable. Fold up your Diplomat to a slim 14 inches thick profile and enjoy the smooth rolling wheels that allow you to easily transport and store your bed anywhere. Number 5. Quick and easy assembly. Assembly has never been easier for a folding bed. With the clear, illustrated manual and all tools provided, the Diplomat's estimated assembly time is just 5 to 15 minutes. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.